Hey again, guys. Today I got a addition to the next step of creating a game trainer. And what we're doing now is we're talking about addresses, memory addresses, and how they're found, and what they do, and how to locate them properly. And next tutorial will be how to how to make your own trainer use these addresses, if you know what I'm saying. So what you're gonna need to do is get an application called Cheat Engine and open up Notepad. If you got Cheat Engine, open it up and click on this computer button here. And what we're gonna do now is we're gonna open Notepad in Cheat Engine. Once you've done that, let me explain some stuff about memory addresses and things. So we got a building here. I don't know. I'm just gonna draw a building. Yeah, look at that drawing skills. Oh, Windows. That's right. Check out that building. Say we have a guy in this house, and his address, this guy's house's address is say 0x05. That's a 7 for that. A big number, right? And this address here is another house address called 0x0 blah 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 blah. Right, so this guy who lives in here, in 0x07 whatever, this guy who lives in here, he wants, we need to modify him. We need to modify that guy. So I'm going to first show you how we can modify what's in a certain address. So what we're going to be doing, or read what's in a certain address, sorry. So we want to see what he looks like. Modifying will be later. So what we're going to do is we're going to see how many letters are typed into Notepad. So what we're going to do, we'll press, we'll type 1F in there. And for some reason, nothing is one character. I don't know why. Don't ask me why. Weird things like that happen sometimes. So this one character here is actually equivalent to 2 characters. So just keep that in mind. And another one's 3 characters and another one's 4 characters. It's always one bigger. What we're going to do is we're going to, over in here, we're going to be searching for an exact value, and it's a 4-byte value. And the value we're going to be searching for is 2, because I think I said that right, didn't I? Yeah, 2, because nothing is equal to 1 for some reason. So 2, because it thinks we got 2 characters in here. Let's go first scan, and it's going to scan the running application all around here. It's going to look through the addresses and see what is equal to 2. Now we're going to type another F or another letter or anything, and now we're going to scan for 3, and we're going to go next scan, and it's come up with one address here. Just to check that it's right, we'll put in another G, and it increments by 1, and it says value 4. Let's double click on that. Now we found that address, and that's the address right there. I don't know if you can see it right there. But the problem with that is that's all great because we can see if you look on the value here, when we type things, it'll add all the numbers up, which is cool. But the problem is that if you restart Notepad, if you close it and open it again, or if you're playing a game and you start a new game or something, sometimes, well, all the time when you close it and open it, but sometimes if you're starting a new game or something like that, the address will change. So for example, the guy who lives in 0x075 or something or other, he decided to move down to here for no particular reason. And we don't know that because we're still looking at this address. So we got to put like a tag on the guy to see where he's moving to, and then we know where he is all the time. So what we can do is we can right click on this address. Let's delete everything for now in Notepad. Right click on this address and say find what writes to this address. and this will put, if you click yes now, this will put Notepad into a special debugging mode. And what we can do now is if we type one character into Notepad, it'll come up with this thing here. And this no cheat engine knows exactly what writes to this address. So we can say replace and just click OK and stop debugging and close. And now cheat engine has a special address which works for any computer. Anytime you open Notepad, that address works all the time. It's not a pointer, but it's like a pointer. There's a thing called a pointer in addresses and stuff. So if we type all these different values, it should automatically update, which it doesn't for some reason, but it doesn't matter because we know it works anyway. Alright then, that pretty much concludes this section, and the next bit will be on how to sort of put that in your own game trainer. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.